Welcome to this new Toolbox video, the graphical version of the CV4 PVE suite. Today we will see how with a simple click you can check the health of our proxmox VE infrastructure. The diagnostic software collects data from proxmox VE and outputs a list of warning, critical, information messages. All this is possible by going to the Health Diagnostic section. The main screen is very simple and intuitive. As we can see in the top bar, there are 4 different features. 1. Run the diagnostic command. 2. Refresh the page. 3. Export all data to an XLSX file. 4. Search. Perfect. Now through this button let's run Diagnostic with a simple click. When the operation is completed, a confirmation message will appear. Well done. Now that it's done, we can see our analyzers in chronological order. In this case ours is the first. To see the details you need to expand the row. We see that additional 3 lines are generated. Each represents a level of error. Critical, warning, info. Through these buttons, you can download the results in PDF and XLSX format. Well done guys. That's all for this video. See you next time.